What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J here with my August favorites, and the month is over and now it is time for fall. This is exactly the time that I wish for all year. It starts to cool down a little bit. Things get a little bit spookier. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. I love scary movies. I love haunted houses. I love anything creepy. It's my favorite. So I'm excited. But to commemorate summer, I want to share with you guys some of the favorite products that I was loving in the month of August. So first things first, Give Me Glow. I love this brand. It's an indie brand. I found them on Instagram and I took a chance with their products. I actually just filmed a video on this look where I did a random Q&A and I used their eyeshadow palette. But I have been loving this all month. This is their Abstract Gold Collection highlighter and it is in the color Halo. It is so pretty. It is a white gold highlighter and I love colors like this, but I especially love this one just because it is so blinding. It is my most intense highlighter that I have in my entire collection. No other highlighter can beat this out in terms of just intensity. Once wipe, you're gonna get full color payoff. Like, this thing is, that's something serious. The formulation of this highlighter is just bomb. From what I have tried, these products are very high quality. The next favorite I have are these Colored Rain Vivid Pigment eyeshadows. I actually have a video coming up where I'm going to be reviewing these eyeshadows, doing a tutorial using these eyeshadows, and giving you swatches of all of these colors. They launched these maybe mid-July and I picked up all of them in a bundle set, and these are so phenomenal. If you like color, then you need to have these. These are some really amazing eyeshadows. They're formulated really nice. You all know sometimes color just does not deliver. It does not show up true to color. It's just gonna be super lackluster. No, these are really good. Every color shows up true to color. Some of them do swatch a little bit drier, but all of them perform. I love this eyeshadow formulation, and if you are needing to update your eyeshadow wardrobe, maybe pick out a few different colors and incorporate them in your life, because these definitely add spice, they add character, and they live up to the name. They are very vivid. I have been on this very heavy this month. This is the NARS Liquid Blush in Torrid, and I bought this last summer. I loved it then, but I put it away. Sometimes I do that. I put stuff away and then I take it back out and I remember, oh, I really like this. This is one of those products. It gives a very natural flushed look on my cheeks, and I think it's so pretty. Like, it's very easy to work with. Some people may be intimidated by the thought of using a liquid blush, but honestly it's very user friendly and it's super pretty. You don't need a lot of it, so you're not gonna run through this really fast. So just a little bit, it gives you like a really fresh and awakened look. They have a few different colors, not a whole lot. I would like to see them come out with more colors because this formula is so bomb. Next, I've had a lot of people recommending me to try these. These are the Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadows, and I already have one. I have the color Smoke. I love this. This one is the one that stood out the most to me. This one is just like that really pretty like mixture of taupe and champagne, and it's just like super dimensional, and I love this one. It's really easy to throw on, like if you're wanting to do a simple eye but you still want to have drama but you don't have a lot of time to dedicate to that. That's beautiful. I adore this lipstick formula. This is the new Tom Ford lip color in Satin Matte in the color La Nudette. So I just did my Sephora haul yesterday. I uploaded it, but I've had this for like a week and I love this. I've worn it no less than 3 different times, and I definitely have got to get more colors. This formulation of this is so beautiful. It's amazing. It's what it is. It's a satin matte lipstick, and here's what it looks like. I'll do a little swatch for you guys. It goes on so fluffy and just velvety, and oh my god, I love it. I've got to explore the rest of this line because the formulation of this is just, it's what I've been wanting to get. So of course my fave didn't let me down. He's not gonna let me down. I also want to share some PR that I've been getting, starting with Thrive Cosmetics. And this is a CC cream that they sent. This is the Buildable Blur CC cream, so I'm gonna be testing this out. I also got some skincare items from BFFECT. I believe that's how you pronounce their name. Here are the products. This is a very affordable skincare line, and the products don't have a lot of fluff to them, so I'm very excited to try them. And Too Faced actually sent me replenishments of the Hangover Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray, as well as the Replenishing Face Primer. Thank you. And thank you to everyone who sent me PR. As far as like my shows, y'all know I love power. Like, I am a power girl. So I don't know if you guys are caught up on the season, but we are very close to the season finale. I am so glad that they brought some spice to this week's episode, because all season it's been a very drawn out storyline, and you know, certain episodes were very necessary to just really make us understand as viewers what's going on in their lives and just their thought process behind the decision making that they do. I've wanted more. I wanted more, and this week's episode gave me more. I'm not gonna ruin it for anybody who has not seen it, but just know that I'm caught up. If you want to talk about power, down in the comment section, make sure you write spoiler alert and then, you know, do some dots. I feel like if you like, number one, New York based shows where the city just adds a different element to the show. If you like shows like a little bit more gritty, a little bit sexy, that's a good show. It just is. Like, some episodes are gonna be slower than others, but overall the show is still good. I'm interested to see where they're going to go with this, because so much has happened. I know that they got renewed for next season, but I don't know how much longer the show is going to keep going on. So let me know your thoughts on Power down below. Also, I have been utterly obsessed with mukbangs. I don't know where it came from. And all of a sudden, like, I watched one and now I cannot stop watching them, especially if they have seafood in them, namely crab legs. Oh my god, I can sit there and watch people eat crab legs for hours, and I watch them when I'm hungry, and it makes me hungrier. But it also is inspiring because it like makes me want to try different stuff and like cook stuff for myself. Like, I'm kind of torn with the idea of doing one, but I don't know if I would want to do it on my channel. But I don't know, I'm kind of interested in it just overall. Let me know what you guys think about them. Let me know if you guys watch that. I know that that's completely different worlds. I'm in the beauty community. That's a whole other community. But I mean, it's interesting. And the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my video. The video that I uploaded a few videos ago, the My Truth Regarding the Beauty Industry. And that video was very nerve-wracking for me to upload. It was very nerve-wracking while I was filming it. I don't like talking about my feelings or just expressing myself in that capacity, but I just felt like now is the time, and I really wanted to share my journey and how I feel about the beauty community, most specifically the social media beauty community. I really just wanted to address it from my point of view and just get some things off of my chest. And it was just like, should I post this? Should I not post this? Should I film this? Like, what should I do about it? But the love that you guys have shared and you guys have showed on that video is just overwhelming. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate every single comment that was left. All of the comments, you know, talking about what people like about my channel, some things that people think that I can improve on. As long as it was left in a respectful way, in a way that was more so positive. So a lot of those things I am going to incorporate into my channel. I'm not going to quit because I am passionate about sharing my knowledge of beauty and just expressing my talent and just, you know, having a platform. But I want to make it clear to everybody, it's not about numbers, because if that was what it was about, I would have been done a long time ago. It's not about the numbers, it's just about the opportunities. And a lot of you guys got it. Most of you all got it and you felt where I was coming from. But some of you all were like, I mean, Kelsee, like, you know, you should just be content where you are. I feel like that's cool, because I do have a very supportive platform. A lot of you all are so supportive and you're so sweet and you're so uplifting, and you know, we have this really dope community together. It's like any other thing that you do in life, especially something that you are pouring so much into. Say for instance, at your job, if you're doing a job and you've been doing it for 8 years and you've never gotten promoted, people who are coming in who've done less time than you, whose content may not be as good as yours, it's like no rhyme or reason, but they're getting promotions and you're not. It's human nature to feel a way about that. I just would like to grow more, and I want the beauty community to be restored to its glory days, and I want us to get back to the root of all things, which is the beauty. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. It's my most candid video. You know, I can't say that I'm gonna be on here talking about my feelings all the time, because that's just not me. But I do want to open up a little bit more and talk to you guys more about me and my life and just who I am as a person. I cut out a lot of things from my videos and, you know, a lot of more of my personality, because I figured you guys want to see the makeup, and that's why you're here. So I cut out a lot of fluff, and I know a lot of people do appreciate that, but I do want to open up a little bit more and share myself with you all a little bit more. Like, you invest in me, so I'm going to invest in you and let you guys get to know me, Kelsee the person, not just Kelsee the makeup artist. But that's everything that I want to share that I've been loving for the month. If you have not already, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. In that comment that you're going to leave, because I already know you're going to do it, let me know some of the things that you loved during the month of August and for the summer. And let me know in the comment section one of your holy grail products for the fall, because you know that time is coming. That time is coming. So I will talk to you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Smooches. Bye.